It's Adeze you see again. I trust you are doing very good today. So I will be showing you a step-by-step process to resolving WhatsApp account ban restriction placed on WhatsApp account. I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process to resolving this issue. So is your account banned, or you know someone his or her account is banned? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is either you click on this support you are seeing here. Clicking on the support, it's going to take you to another page, and in that page you are likely not to find to easily find how to submit and all that. So what you're going to do is go over to Google or Chrome and type whatsapp.com/contact. You enter. So now here we are. So now you are going to click on contact us under WhatsApp Messenger support. No matter whether you are using business or you are using Messenger, use WhatsApp Messenger support. So here you fill in your details, your country, where is your country, you select your country code, you fill in your number, your phone number. That is the phone number that WhatsApp banned. Then you put your email address. After putting, you confirm it. Then how do you use WhatsApp? You tell them whether it's iPhone, Android, web, or desktop. But me, I use iPhone, so I'm going back to it. So here is the message. You enter your message. Okay, you can just type something that is polite. For instance, you can start with, "Hello, I am writing to request that my WhatsApp account be unbanned. I recently got a notification that my WhatsApp account has been banned, and I am sure I did not violate WhatsApp policy. Please, the team should kindly look into it and unban my account." If you have any other thing that is better to type, you go on and type that. And after that, it's going to take 24 hours or more, or even less, for them to get back to you. And they are going to send you an email telling you that telling you about their final decision. So note that it is not in my power for WhatsApp to unban you. You have to follow their process, and if the reason you being banned is not maybe you didn't commit an offense that is unforgivable, yes, an offense that can be pardoned, they will definitely unban you. So all you just have to do is you follow the process. I wish you best of luck, and please do not forget to like, comment, so that other people can get to see this video and also benefit from it. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and then also share the video with other people. If you know anyone who is going through this issue, you can share the video with them. It's likely to solve their issue. All right, all the best. Thank you.